Hi, my name is Pranay. I work in Sabre as a contributor software developer.
So Pranay, what are the different stages that you went through during the recruitment process of Sabre?
The recruitment process was majorly divided into three parts. The first was the aptitude round, the second was the technical interview round, and the third was HR interview round. The aptitude part included mostly the basic verbal questions, some logical reasoning questions, and quant questions. Then there were two technical rounds, which were mainly around your Java background, your projects, because the company was mainly recruiting for Java developers, and yeah, and some basic knowledge about the object-oriented principles. Then the second technical round was about basic puzzles, just to check some basic problem-solving abilities. And the third was the HR round, where the questions were mainly around as to where do you see yourself in the next 5 years, and how can you be a very good resource for the company as a Java developer, and what all people had already prepared for the interview, about the basic knowledge about the company, what the company does, and something around.
What are the areas of strength in a candidate that Sabre looks at?
Sabre looks for some basic Java knowledge in a candidate, basic knowledge about object-oriented principles and problem-solving abilities, and yeah, that should be all.
What is the number of offers that Sabre extended finally at your campus?
Two offers, both from BTech. One was myself from IT, and another was a friend of mine from Electrical.
Pranay, are there any tips you would give aspirants looking to enter Sabre?
Well, like any other company, a company would actually like if the candidate has some background about what the company does. So yes, of course, the airline domain, travel industry rather. Then they should have some basic enthusiasm, at least for Java, and some basic knowledge, and hence should have done something in their projects related to Java. And yeah, that should be enough.